In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are insisting us to specify which process is not releasing carbon dioxide. For this, let me avoid the option A and B. Why? Because the aerobic respiration in plant and animal is exclusively producing huge amount of carbon dioxide to make the maximum amount of ATP by breaking maximum amount of carbon chain of the various biomolecules of plants and animal. So option A and B are rejected. Why we are rejecting option C? Why? Because either methanolic or ethanolic fermentation by bacteria or fungus always involves carbon dioxide production. Why? Because this fungus, yeast and bacteria requires energy from the carbon skeleton breakdown. So we are avoiding option C and we are choosing only option D as a correct answer. Why? Because in the lactate fermentation process, carbon dioxide is not released. That we are giving with this pictorial representation. After the glycolysis process, the lactate production will be followed in the anaerobic respiration process or lactate fermentation process. So when the lactate or lactic acid is formed by Lactobacillus lacti, in that particular event, the carbon dioxide is not released. So we are choosing option D as a correct answer to satisfy the 4-mark demand of this objective question. What are the points we told? With this metabolic pathway, we are giving a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference. Human muscles and lactic acid bacteria, Lactobacillus lacti, both undergoes lactic acid fermentation. NADH2 reduces pyruvic acid generated during glycolysis to lactic acid without creating carbon dioxide. With this specification, we choose an option D as a correct answer to satisfy 4-mark demand.